Hi everyone! Welcome back to English with Humanity UAPD, your free English learning course designed for beginners and everyday learners. If you're just starting English, you might feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, today we're going to look at the most common English mistakes beginners make and how to fix them easily. Let's dive in. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is leaving out articles like a and the. I saw a dog. I saw a dog. Articles help your sentence make sense. A equals something general and the equals something specific. So remember, if you leave them out, your English sounds incomplete. Next up, we must match verbs to the subject. He go to school. He goes to school. In present tense, we add s with he, she, it. Say it with me. I go. You go. He goes. Good job. This mistake is super common. They is happy. They are happy. Use is with singular subjects and are with plural subjects. Like this, she is happy. They are happy. Easy, right? Many learners think in their own language first. I have 20 years. I am 20 years old. English doesn't always match other languages, so don't translate word for word. Instead, think in English phrases. English follows this pattern: subject, verb, object. I morning every run. I run every morning. The right order helps your English sound natural. Double negatives confuse listeners. I don't have no money. I don't have any money. Just use one negative word. Got it? When there's more than one, add just two cats. Exceptions exist, like children, teeth. But most words just add s. Now let's fix some sentences together. She don't like apples. She doesn't like apples. I seen that movie. I saw that movie. Great work. Quick tips to improve English fast practice every day. Speak out loud, read simple English. Think in English, not your native language. Remember, mistakes are proof you are learning. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Visit english.humanityuapd.com for free worksheets, exercises, and more lessons, all designed to help you speak English with confidence. See you in the next lesson.